Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Open or duplicate the spreadsheet and immediately set consistent headers and formatting so data behaves predictably. Once done, freeze the top row and adjust column widths to reveal key fields without scrolling. Format columns as date, number, currency, or plain text so calculations won't fail. Create a clear file name and save to the right folder. Make a shared link with appropriate edit or comment permissions so collaborators can work without creating conflicting copies. Now structure the logic. Add helper columns that simplify complex operations and use named ranges to make formulas readable. Use relative references for row-wise operations and absolute references for fixed lookup cells. Test formulas on sample rows, then propagate with array formula or drag fill. Once formulas are stable, add data validation to prevent bad inputs and conditional formatting to highlight anomalies. Protect critical ranges to avoid accidental edits, and document key formulas in a comments column so others. Finish by creating filter views, pivot tables, and charts to summarize outcomes and set export options for CSV or PDF. Once complete, run reconciliation checks. Compare totals against source data and spot-check random rows to confirm accuracy. If something breaks, inspect error messages, use formula auditing tools like show formulas, step through parts of the formula, and revert if needed via version history. If collaborative edits introduced issues, restore a prior version, comment the fix, and lock the corrected ranges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.